So, one of the biggest complaints I hear about life insurance is that you are paying money into something that you yourself are never going to see the benefit out of. I've broken down a couple of riders that give you access to some of the benefits while you're living, and I'm going to break down another one for you today. My name is Jake Williams, and I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance, the different riders that can be available, and how they can fit into a full comprehensive financial plan tailored for you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you're notified immediately anytime I upload new videos and you never have to miss one. So, I've done a series of videos on the different riders that you might see attached to a life insurance policy, and this one's no different. What I'm talking about today is the chronic illness rider. Now, this one operates somewhat similarly to the uh, the accelerated death benefit rider that I did previously, but it's a little different. So I wanted to break down some of the details for you. So the chronic illness rider, it kicks in if you are diagnosed by a physician as having a chronic illness, typically within the previous 12 months. Like a lot of the other riders, some of these exact numbers could vary based on the insurance provider, the exact contract that you sign. But in general, what I've seen is it's that 12-month window. So if you've been diagnosed as having a chronic illness in those previous 12 months, the rider can kick in. And what it does is it will pay a portion of your death benefit out to you, up to a specific limit. Um, a lot of times they will cap how much you can receive over a lifetime on this so that your life insurance contract is still operating as a life insurance contract and not something more like a long term care contract or something different. Um, so they want to make sure there is still a death benefit there and that the company is protected and you're not receiving multiple millions of dollars in payout on a fairly small life insurance contract. So, what this can be used for is it can be used to cover the expenses associated with that chronic illness. Um, Medical care is not cheap. So, if you've been diagnosed with this chronic illness, you're probably going to be needing a lot of doctor's visits, a lot of hospital visits to take care of that illness, and this payment can help with that. Additionally, it can offer you maybe an opportunity to check a few things off the bucket list. If you've got a chronic illness, you may be reevaluating what you want to do with the time that you have. And if you are able to cover your medical expenses, then maybe you can use some of this uh, accelerated benefit to cross off a few of the wants off your list. But that is going to be unique to your individual plan, and it's going to depend on what you are able to handle. If you've got questions on these riders or another rider that you've seen that you're not quite sure of or want to see a breakdown on, drop a comment down below and let me know. Give me some ideas for some new videos, or just let me know what you think. Love to hear from you guys. If you liked the video, if you thought it was good information, give me a thumbs up. I love hearing from you guys. I love seeing that positive feedback. It really does keep me going. And most importantly, if you want to figure out if this rider or another rider that we've talked about or a specific life insurance policy is right for you, there is a link in the description below where you can apply to become my client. I get some information from you, and then we sit down and we figure out what is right for you, for your situation, your finances, and your life. Right? That's the important part. Not what I can tell, not what I can say, but what is right for you. Okay? So, check it out. Remember, take care of your now, your future, and beyond. Thanks for watching.